Decent fish. Oh, got him? Nice one, babe. Oh, good fish. Good fish. This is a good fish. Alright, we're just hitting some docks here. Saw some tarpon rolling, we just couldn't get them in. It's got a little knocker rig, a small weight, live shrimp. I think a fish arm hung on something. Oh, big crab. Let's see if I can get this crab in. Be great bait. Oh no, he's right there. Dang, he got my shrimp too. There was a huge crab. Did you see that thing? Say hi, Owen. Owen's all set up. We got Jill over here throwing a voodoo. These shrimp are absolutely ginormous. I'm gonna cut them in half. There we go, decent fish. Probably mangrove or what we got here? Oh, nice trout. Real nice trout. Wow, good fighter. Dude, look at the size of this trout. Holy mackerel. Look at that freaking trout. That is a huge trout. Phil. Look at that. I gotta give it a measurement on that one. That might be my biggest trout down here. It's about almost a 19 inch, about 18 and a half. That is a thick trout though. Get the release here. Nice trout. Look at that.
Oh, look at those teeth.
There we go, buddy. There he goes. Off to the depths. All right. Real nice trout right off the dock there. We're gonna go ahead and throw back and get some more. Sweet. Get him? Jill's on. Nice. Mangrove. Heck yeah. Little baby one. Hey. Look at that. Jill's got a mangrove. Giant. Look at that. Beautiful mangrove gray snapper. Here we go. Ooh, there's a ton down there. Damn, they cleaned me out. Oh, what the heck? Something with teeth just got my whole rig. What the heck? That's bonkers. All right, I'm gonna tie in a voodoo shrimp because there's some good fish here.
Give me this fish.
Y'all, Jill just caught the cutest little mangrove snapper. That is, actually this might be a dog snapper because he's got this blue line underneath him. That is a pretty little fish. Here you go, babe, hold up your fish. Awesome. All right, we'll see you later, dude. Don't get eaten. Just run. All right, let's get you baited back up. Hilarious. Oh, missed him. Oh, I thought I got him again almost. Oh, missed him again. Jeez. Did you get him? Yeah, Jill's on. What you got? A little snapper? Wow, good snapper. Hooray. It's a better one. They're getting bigger, babe. Nice job. Look at that. Pretty. All right. Jill is out fishing me so far today. There he goes. Beautiful snapper. Back in. Awesome. Good job, babe. Need bait? Got her bait. Baiting the hook. Sweet. Let's see if we can get a couple more. There it is. Got him. There we go. Another trout. I'm in the trout today. Let's go. Trout. Yeah, speckled trout. Live shrimp. Yeah. So we fish them on a little Carolina rig, so it's a egg sinker on your line above the hook. Or sorry, a knocker rig, and the weight hits right up against the hook and it goes right to the bottom. Yeah. There he goes. So with trout, there's a slot size. They've got to be, you can keep, I think it's 16 to 19 inches, and you can keep one per day over 19 inches. But we like to just do catch and release. Really, anywhere you can find moving water, there's gonna be fish kind of hanging out. Thank you, good talking to you, buddy. Hey, smiley guy. We got our little buddy out here. Oh, got him? Nice one, babe. It's a good size. Jill's got another snapper. You are crushing them today. Look at that. That's getting a little bit bigger. Another beautiful Caloosahatchee snapper. Oh, I think I'm getting picked up. Probably got my bait. Yep. Dang nabbit. Oh, there we go. I got him. I got him now. Good snapper. Another snapper. It was instant. That's a good sized snapper. Look at that. Snapper fest. Snapper fest today. So actually went down to like a size 2.0 circle hook. I think the 3 was just a little bit too big. Oh, they're pecking at it. Got him, another one. Little one. Bait size mangrove. Oh, Bubba. Saved my shrimp though. Got him. Oh man, back to back. It's like a little baby breeding ground down there. These are like the tiniest snapper ever. But again, that's 2 snapper on the same piece of shrimp. Hilarious. See, we go 3 for 3 on 3 casts and the same piece of shrimp. Got him. Oh, I think they finally picked it clean. Yep, I finally got my shrimp. There we go. Got one. Got one from underneath there. Baby snapper. Babe, it's the breeding, the nursery over here. Be free. Oh, good fish. Good fish. This is a good fish. What is this? Oh man. Really good snapper. Heck yeah. That's a keeper snapper right there, y'all. That's the big mama. Probably about 10 inches, 11 inches. Oh, he's bleeding. Stop. Oh my God, he's spraying blood everywhere. All right. Oh, he chomped it, that's why. All right, y'all, so he had swallowed the heck out of that hook. He swam off fine, but that was a good, a little bit smaller than I thought he was, but nice 11-inch snapper, would have kept. We don't have a cooler with today to keep fish, so we're not keeping anything. Good little fighter though. It's literally shaking blood all over the place. Jill just got a beautiful little baby snapper. Add him to the tally for today. He's a feisty little sucker. See you later, guy. Oh man. Thought it was a fish, but it's not. I'm hung. Dang it. The heck is that? Could be down there. Damn it. It's the second voodoo I'm gonna lose today, I think. Yes. No, there goes my voodoo. Get him? Yay, babe, the mangrove queen. Hey, little fella. The mini mangrove queen. Another beauty.
He's gonna be so excited when he catches like a little one like that.
Oh, it's gonna be on such light tackle too. It's gonna be great. Cast up underneath it. Yeah, here, you got it. Whew. All right, y'all, so we are back in the garage. I'm actually going through and reorganizing some tackle, something I've been putting off for like 4 months, just haven't really had a chance to do it, but we hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, with the 4-month-old, it's tough for us to get out for an extended period of time on the water, especially with him. You know, it's hot out there in some of these places that we're going, so we just had a couple of hours to get out. This type of fishing is more so just quantity, you know, nothing crazy of size that we caught today. But it's fun if you've got people that don't fish often or younger kids in your family that you just want to get out and catch fish. Just pieces of shrimp on a knocker rig in moving current. You're going to catch stuff literally all day long. That being said, I wanted to wrap up this video here because we just got an awesome new package in from our friends up at Tackle Direct. I'm going to flip this camera around and show you because we've got some pretty big plans coming up on the channel. Gonna start to go after some giant monsters. So let me flip this camera around really quick. Gonna do a quick unboxing for you. Shout out to Tackle Direct. Yo, we got some big stuff coming. Ooh, that is a beauty. So we've got the Avid EXW 50 wide. So this is a big boy. We'll drop some of the specs here on the screen. We're gonna do a full review. And we also are going to pair it with the Pen Ally. We've got a bent butt for right now. But if you want to see a full breakdown of this particular setup, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch this video right here. It's from one of our past adventures. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to stick around to see this beast of a setup in action over the next couple of months. With that being said, life's short, live naughty. We'll catch you in the next one.